G'day everyone, and welcome back. We're wrapping up this epic adventure, exploring the last stops on our list of 100 incredible places to visit in Victoria. So grab your mates, pack your sense of adventure, and let's finish this journey with a bang. For our 91st destination, we're heading to the heart of the Grampians, a place where rugged beauty meets total tranquility. This is Griffins Hill Retreat, and trust me, it's the kind of place that forces you to relax and recharge. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just looking for a chance to escape the daily grind, their retreats offer something for everyone. When you're not finding your inner peace, explore the incredible hiking trails, get up close with the local wildlife, or just soak up the stunning scenery. For our 92nd destination. All right, mates, time to crank up the cool factor. We're heading to IceBar Melbourne, a place where the temperature's always below zero and the drinks are served in glasses sculpted from ice. Imagine yourself stepping into a world made entirely of ice, the walls, the bar, even the furniture. It's like stepping into another dimension, a winter wonderland right in the heart of Melbourne. They'll kit you out with some cozy capes and gloves to keep you warm while you sip on your icy beverage. Whether you're looking for a unique date night idea or just want to escape the Melbourne heat in style, IceBar Melbourne is an experience you won't forget anytime soon. For our 93rd destination, get ready to have your mind boggled because we're off to Puzzling World, a place where nothing is as it seems. This place is a wonderland of optical illusions, mind-bending puzzles, and mazes that will leave you questioning your own senses. Imagine yourself walking through a room where the floor seems to tilt beneath your feet, or staring at a picture that changes right before your eyes. Challenge your friends and family to solve the puzzles, navigate the mazes, and see who can handle the mind-bending illusions. Just be warned, you might leave Puzzling World with more questions than answers. For our 94th destination, calling all footy fans, we're about to step into the hallowed grounds of Demons Stadium, the home of the mighty Melbourne Demons. Picture this, the stands are packed, the crowd is going wild, and the atmosphere is electric. Whether you're a die-hard Demon supporter or just love the thrill of a live game, there's nothing quite like experiencing the roar of the crowd at Demons Stadium. Grab a pie and a pint, find your seat, and prepare to be swept away by the passion and excitement of Aussie rules football. For our 95th destination, hold on tight because we're about to dive into a world of inflatable fun at Aqua Island. This floating water park is like a giant bouncy castle on water, and it's guaranteed to bring out the kid in everyone. Aqua Island is the perfect place to cool off on a hot day, challenge your friends to some inflatable obstacle courses, or just relax and soak up the sun. From towering slides to wobbly bridges and giant trampolines, there's something for everyone at this aquatic playground. For our 96th destination, get ready to hit the lanes because we're going bowling. But this isn't your grandma's bowling alley, mate. Tenpin Bowling Phillip Island is where classic fun meets modern style. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just love the thrill of rolling a strike, Tenpin Bowling Phillip Island is the perfect place to let loose and have some good old-fashioned fun. Challenge your mates to a game, enjoy some delicious food and drinks, and see who can rack up the highest score. For our 97th destination, calling all adrenaline junkies and water sports enthusiasts. Get ready to experience the ultimate thrill at Melbourne Cable Park, a place where you can ride the waves without even setting foot in the ocean. Imagine yourself gliding across the water, pulled along by a high-speed cable, the wind whipping through your hair as you master the art of wakeboarding or kneeboarding. They've got expert instructors on hand to teach you the ropes, and a range of obstacles and ramps to test your skills. Melbourne Cable Park is the perfect place to unleash your inner thrill seeker and make some unforgettable memories. for our 98th destination. As the sun sets and the stars begin to twinkle, we're embarking on a truly magical experience. The Moonlit Wallaby Walk. Imagine yourself strolling through the bush under a canopy of stars, the air filled with the sounds of nature as you encounter these adorable creatures in their natural habitat. You'll get to observe wallabies up close as they graze and interact with each other, and learn about their fascinating behaviors from experienced guides. For our 99th destination, we're stepping back in time now, mates, to the historic Port Fairy Lighthouse. This iconic landmark has stood watch over the rugged coastline for centuries, guiding ships to safety and witnessing countless stories unfold. Imagine yourself climbing the spiral staircase to the top of the lighthouse, feeling the salty breeze on your face as you soak up panoramic views of the Southern Ocean. Explore the lighthouse keepers' cottages, learn about the fascinating maritime history of the region, and imagine the lives of those who lived and worked in this remote and beautiful place. For our 100th destination, our final stop, we're heading to a true Melbourne icon, Flinders Street Station. This grand old dame has been a central part of Melbourne life for over a century, witnessing countless comings and goings and serving as a meeting point for generations of Victorians. Admire its grand architecture, from its ornate facade to its soaring dome, and imagine the countless stories these walls could tell. Whether you're catching a train, grabbing a bite to eat, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, Flinders Street Station is a must-visit for any visitor to Melbourne. Well, mates, we've reached the end of our epic journey through 100 incredible places to visit in Victoria. From rugged mountain ranges and pristine beaches to bustling cities and charming towns, Victoria truly has something for everyone. Our next adventure is going to be in New South Wales. Until next time, keep exploring, stay adventurous, and remember, life's too short to stay in one place. Cheers.